स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manua. In today's video we'll discuss about the top colleges in Pune who accepts the Maharashtra B.Ed CET score and the colleges whom we'll discuss about. Here I listed on the basis of some of the parameters like these all colleges are from the Pune region, the reputed one, most preferred colleges, the top listed in the ranking in Maharashtra and well known in all over India with great infra, great facilities with respect to libraries, faculties, and the most one provides the tremendous opportunities after study, that means the placement. So to have a tour of these colleges, stay tuned with me. And in case if you want to join the online coaching program, then call on 8828581455 or visit at manuaedu.com. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. And one more center is coming soon in Pune. So let's have the college tour. The first one, the Arihant College of Education, the most preferred one college in Pune, which established in 2009 at Bavdhan, Pune, nearby Pune-Mumbai Highway, which is affiliated with Savitribai Phule, Pune University. It has two campuses in Pune, the first one in Bavdhan and the second one in Poolgate, that is camp area. It offers various programs with respect to the education, and as we are talking about the Bachelor of Education, so for it has 100 seat of intake. It also offers the various certificate course such as Diploma in School Management. And guys, while preparing, make sure that you must be enter into the top colleges with respect to your particular program, because the top colleges provides the more facilities and more career scope as compared to other ones. So to enter into top colleges, I'm not disclosing here the cutoff for each particular college, but you must be score around 70 to 80 plus marks out of 100 to get the best colleges in Maharashtra. The next one, the Adarsh Shikshan Mandalis, Adarsh Comprehensive College of Education and Research, situated at Erandwane, Karve Road, Pune. The Adarsh Shikshan Mandali, it is founded in 1943. It was registered as a public trust and it is always ranked high amongst the most reputed educational institute in Maharashtra. Offers the B.Ed program for 2 years and for it has 100 seat intake. The next one is the Javan Shikshan Prasarak Mandal JSPM's Rajarshi Shahu College of Education, one of the premier college of education which is established in 2008 near Pune-Mumbai Highway, Tathode, Pune. Offers the 2-year B.Ed program and for it has 100 number of seats. Along with this course, the JSPM Institute offers the multiple courses from undergraduate to postgraduate levels. So ultimately, it gives more chances with respect to the placement view. The next one, the Sinhagad Group of Institutes, Srimati Kashibai Navle College of Education and Training, which is established in 2006 at Kusgaon, Lonavala, Pune. It is affiliated to Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Offers the B.Ed program for 2 years and for it has 100 number of seats. The next one, Shri Khanderai Pratishthan Education Society, which is popularly known as SKP, established in 1988, comprises of number of colleges, schools and institutes. And further in 2005, the Education Society founded Shri Martand Bhairav Education College, also known as Adhyapak Mahavidyalay, which is located at Balewadi, Pune. Offers the B.Ed program and for it also has the 100 number of seats. The next one, Shri Shivaji Maratha Society's Adhyapak Mahavidyalay, where Shri Shivaji Maratha Society founded in 1970 with the aim to provide the higher education in India. Now it is one of the popular college in India, located at Sahkar Nagar, Pune. The institute functions under the focal aim of providing the finest training to the aspiring teachers of the society to bring about an education awareness in the society. So for it offers the B.Ed program of 2 years and it has the 300 seat intake. So guys, if you are looking for the teacher program, then your aim should be the SSMS Adhyapak Mahavidyalay. The next one, the well recognized university, that is MIT World Peace University, which is established in 1983, comprises of number of colleges in different regions of India. So the School of Education, which is established in 2007 at Kothurud, Pune offers the B.Ed program, and for it, it has 100 number of seats. And it is one of the few colleges which provide the more than 20 posts in education sector after completing your B.Ed. And this institute always has the 100% placement record. The next one, Spicer Memorial College, part of a Spicer Adventist University, and this university is a part of the global Seventh-day Adventist system of education consisting of 52 universities, 100 of colleges and 1000 of schools spread almost all the countries of world. So it is the private university and the first Christian minority institute in Maharashtra, which is located at Aund Ganesh Khind Road, Pune, offers various programs, and with respect to education, the B.Ed for 2 years, here it has the 100 number of seat. The next one, the Pratibha College of Education, which is established in 2008, is an English or Marathi medium teacher training college situated in the heart of PCMC area, that is in Chinchwad, Pune. And for B.Ed program, it has 100 number of seat intake. And the next one, Dr. D.Y. Patil Unitech Societies, Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Education, which is established in 2004 at Pimpri, Pune. And for the B.Ed program, it has the 100 number of seat intake. So these all colleges accepts the Maharashtra B.Ed CET score. So guys, target one of these colleges while preparation, because the top colleges always has the top facilities, top faculties, and provides the great career scope because it provides the great placement facilities. So friends, if you want to become a secondary or higher secondary teacher in SSC, CBSC, ICSC or any board of school, assistant teacher, primary, higher or higher secondary school coordinator, principal, supervisor, or coaching class teacher, tutor, HR manager, content writer, content creator, media and technology specialist in education, entrepreneur or education officer. So guys, these all are the career prospects, and to make your career out of these, then you must be enter into these all colleges. So kickstart your preparation from now onwards, and to crack Maharashtra B.Ed CET, join Manwar online program where you will get books, mock test, sectional or full course, or you can also interact live with us. So call on this number or visit at manwaredu.com/B.Ed entrance, and you can also call on these respective numbers. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.